Bye-bye, ate pa lang. Ate going to school. Ate going to school. So see you, ate, later.
I'm going to school. Okay, later.
Okay. Kiss ate na.
Oh. I can't breathe.
Love you.
See you later.
So we'll see you later, ate. Hi. You wanna kiss? Oh, here. I'll get your thing na. Brain break. You have banana for brain break, okay? Make sure you eat.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy is in the office. He's working in the office today because it's Monday.
Mommy, why you leave him in the office like working?
He has to work.
Why?
Because he has to make money.
Why?
Why? Because, like now, we're gonna get coffee. We need money.
Why he's busy?
Yeah, he's really busy.
Mom, but he wants to go and eat.
Eat? It's okay, he already eaten before he left.
He wants to eat breakaway.
Or maybe when Daddy works from home, maybe that's when he said he's gonna take you to the bakery.
I'll get it.
Okay, Baba. Good morning, everyone. It's 8:46 ng umaga, so we just dropped at the Paris school.
Mommy,
And we're
coffee in home.
Mm-hmm.
I sat in home. There's all coffee there.
There's coffee at home?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but we had to leave early because we had to drop Ati, and then now we're going to Office Works, so we can't go home and have coffee. We'll just have coffee here, okay?
No, not in home.
At home? Okay, Mama will have coffee again later. At home, okay?
Mommy.
Tumaging anak ko eh. Just ko lang. Daming, nasabi. Anyways, it's going to be a busy day today, guys. So before namin bumili ng kape dito, we're going to Office Works once again.
I can have the birthday tomorrow with my cake with chocolate cake and gummy bear.
Okay, Baba, you can, alright?
With some gummy bear candies.
Alam niyo guys, it's very exciting because first time ko makabenta online, and
I'll get you a bag.
Thank you, my love. And I am going to ship it to Hong Kong. Oh my God.
Show this to the camera.
Oh, show this to the camera. Alright guys, here's my bag of the day.
Hi, I bring it to Mommy.
Yeah, thank you, my love. There you go. You can wear it as well like that. See, it looks cute.
Yes.
Anyways, so diba, na-mention ko na sa inyo before na I have been selling on Bustier Collective platform as well. And
Mom, what is that?
I was complaining last time because yung presyo nga, they put it down. Anyways, this time, there's no problem. So I'm starting to like them now because it's actually the visibility of your item is like worldwide. So you get people from, you know, different countries. Nakikita nila yung mga binibenta mo, which, you know, obviously that's what you want if you sell online, right? So eBay kasi guys, I said it for Australia only. So obviously Australia only, so walang makakakita na taga ibang bansa. But this one I sold sa platform na yon, and pagka ko nang print the label, the shipping label, dun ko nakita na yung bumili pala nito is from Hong Kong. So I'm going to Office Works kasi I'm gonna get the box again for this, and then ipiprint ko yung shipping label, and I will pack it there. But yeah, ito pakita ko sa inyo. This is beautiful. It's the Louis Vuitton zippy coin purse. Ayan. This is like new. Tingnan nyo guys. This is the Christmas edition in 2021 if I'm not mistaken.
This is Christmas!
It's there. Ayan yung kanyang laman. It's super cute. So So, I already have one na may print. So, hindi ko sana to siya ibebenta kasi I'll keep it to myself. Ano ko ba? Collection ko ba? Ay, anak. But I already have one. Actually, andito yung isa ko. This one, oh, beautiful. This is in monogram though, and may mga print na ganyan. I bought it from Japan. So, ito yung ikikip ko kasi I like the interior pink. Ito kasing isa is red. If it's pink, I'll probably keep it. But red kasi yung, kung ganito sana yung kanyang, ano, sa loob, I'll probably keep it, but it's red. Hindi ko masyadong red.
Look at this, gamanis.
Gamanis. Okay, so yan yung kanyang dust bag and the box.
Wow, this is so
and yeah, so, oh my God, hindi ako makapaniwala, guys, na this will go to Hong Kong. And, sa Vistia, pinapili nila ako, guys, kung anong gusto ko, DHL or FedEx. I use DHL, so it will be like really quick. I think just a couple of days, we'll get there already.
Please, Mama.
Uy, anak! Put it back, Papa. We don't want to lose it.
I can hold it. Mommy, Mom, can I keep it?
Mm-hmm.
Can I keep it, Mama?
Later on, okay? When you're big enough, then you can keep it, okay?
Oh, Mommy, you know I am bigger. I'm not a baby. Mom, I'm bigger.
You're bigger, okay? If you say so.
I'm not baby.
You are my baby.
I'm not baby.
But you are my baby.
No, I'm not a baby.
But you are my baby.
No, I'm not a baby.
Ambot ni mo na kayo. Can you say ambot ni mo?
No. I don't.
Okay, ambot ni mo.
No.
So we'll put it in like a bag like that para safe siya, guys. And
Mommy,
then another like
just
clear dust bag. Yeah, you can keep that one, my love.
What about?
So yeah, I'm super excited, guys. Like this Vistia thing, like actually excites me now. I've got more things listed there. So if you live in different countries, guys, like feel free to check out my Vistia collective store. Makikita niyo doon, guys. And hopefully you'll support me because, you know, I'd appreciate that very, very much. Yummy?
Yes,
You like it? Okay, let's go back in the car. Hello.
that's like Daddy.
I know.
Mommy, we can go to that one. That's Daddy's work.
Office Works, not Daddy. Not Daddy's work. It's a shop named Office Works. Not Daddy's
Mom,
work.
that looks like Daddy.
Are you okay? Come on now. I'm gonna take this out. We'll put this in the garage. So we are finally home, guys. Ito yung mga napamili namin from
Mommy,
Office Works.
Mom,
Yes, my love.
this is from that the best. A zombie bird made me a magic shoes.
Oh, okay, Baba. Magic shoes.
White.
Got no idea kung lunch ko daw today, guys.
Making white.
Yes, Baba. Oh my goodness. So ito siya, guys. It says butcher's paper. Suitable for packaging, wrapping, and drawing. So ito yung gagamitin ko for our packing. So ito yung napili ko na sisidlan ng ating ipapadala today, guys, through DHL. So this is like a padded envelope. Ayan. So transfer ko sa phone, guys, kasi yung battery ng ating camera ay natsugi man. So ito yung sinasabi ko. Hindi to siya madaling mapunit because it's padded. Ganyan. So, dalawa yung binili ko. Alam niyo bakit dalawa? Kasi just in case, makabenta tayo through through the platform. Meron na tayong mga gagamitin. So, I've got this is the size 8.3 and the size 8.4 na satchels. And then, ito pa, guys. Bumili ako ng boxes. Kasi I have like an ongoing offer na for a bag. So ito yung binili ko, medyo malaki para magkasya. I've got 2 and get some little like smaller ones. Ayan. 5 yung binili ko nito. So ikaw na yung ano ba yun? Ito na yung learn. Mabilis na. There you go. Ganyan siya. Tapos, ganyan. Babilis. So, sa mga maliliit na size, pwede natin itong gamitin. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Ganyan. Amazing. Bili ako ng 5 kasi yung ito nyo, di ba? Pero hindi na pa balik doon. Tell Tita and Tito what you're having for lunch.
And you chew it.
Chew it.
I'll show you. You show this one. I'll show you.
Look, when you do
This one.
when you do that, Nak, you really look like your auntie.
Look at this one. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. And you take it out. Mommy, what's so yucky? Mom, that's so yucky seaweed.
Seaweed, it's sour. Is that?
Yeah, it's sour.
Okay.
To drink this one first.
Pinag-shower ko yan siya, guys. Wala sa plano yan.
Yummy.
Yan. Kasi, pagkalabas ko galing kwarto,
Oh,
oh my
so
God.
cold.
Cold? What did you put on your face?
It's makeup.
Makeup. Inubos na naman na.
It's lip balm.
Yeah. What did you do with the lip balm?
Like my face like balm. Oh, I'm something I did this one. Eye cup.
Makeup. Naliguan tuloy.
I'm doing my face.
You still got something on your plate. Still have to finish that. Show Tita and Tito what you have left.
Chew.
Tell Tita and Tito what you have left on your plate.
I got egg. I got egg.
Have a bite. Show Tita and Tito how you eat the egg. Good girl.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, in the channel has a genius and I'll show you. And do you like it? How do you like it? And I'll show you.
Wow! Good job.
Do you like it? And bye bye.
Bye bye.
And channel, press the button. And channel. Bye bye.
Come here, stand up here. Alam niyo ba guys, it's 2:10 na ng hapon. Ito siya pinatulog ko. And nung nakatulog na siya guys, ay biglang may nag-doorbell. Okay, I'm doing a video.
Hi.
Careful, careful, kasi may fall. May nag-doorbell, pinick up ni Kuya ang ating DHL na padala ba?
Video.
Okay, I'm taking a video. Nagising siya, hindi na bumalik ng tulog.
Hi guys. What are you doing?
I'm sorry, I'm talking. Okay, alright, your turn.
Hi guys, I'm the channel class. I'm just doing this. And Do you like it? How you do like it? And I'll show you.
She's following Ate Paris kasi gumaganyan sa Ate Paris. Wow! Lolo!
Do it again.
When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us. Yeah! With feelings. With feelings. So we are taking Louis for a walk. What's that noise lang? What's that noise too? Oh, it's the power cut. Come on. Dalhin namin si Louis doon sa park para makapaglaro din yung mga girls natin, guys. Yung malapit lang sa atin. Oh, Louis! Did you just bump on the tree? Silly boy. May nagtanim dito, ginawang garden. Baka Pilipino siguro. Pilipino siguro ang may-ari ng bahay na to, guys. Look, see? May sila. May lemongrass. That's lemongrass. So it's tanlad in Filipino. May sili sila. Oh, sili. Nak, don't step on it lang. And may sibuyas. It's so Filipino. There's another one there too. May daisy din doon. Daisy, tsaka... Anong meron doon? Daisy, tsaka tanlad. Nini, come na! Tingnan nyo silang dalawa. Tago-taguan. Not yet, Paris! Close your eyes! You found me. Good boy, Louis. Good boy. Come, do you want to go to Ati? Come on. Come on. What did you find? Look. Look at me. Ah, yeah. Where did you find it, lang? Oh, really? It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon, guys. It's actually the next day. So, hindi natin natapos yung vlog yesterday. Kaya napag-isipan ko na today ay ipagpapatuloy natin. So, it's 5:01. Andito kami Ate Paris sa sasakyan. Daddy Mike and Celine will follow us. Kasi tulog si Baby Celine sa couch. So, sabi ko Daddy Mike, i-carry Baby Celine sa sasakyan. So, this afternoon, pupunta tayo sa cinema because once again, we were invited by Universal Pictures Australia para manood ng premiere ng movie na Wild Robot. Sabi doon na dapat andun kami ng 5:30 kasi may mga pa yan, alam mo yung mga picture-picture, mga ganyan-ganyan. And mag-start yung movie, I think, in 6 o'clock. And I think, hindi na naman namin maaabutan yung picture-picture, guys. Kasi, I just checked, and may traffic sa daan. It's now 5:02, and going there, it will take us 34 minutes. We might just, if, papunta na dito si Daddy Mike. Kasi Daddy Mike finishes work at 5. So, kakatapos lang niya talaga. And hopefully, he'll get here soon para makaalis na kami kaagad. It's been raining. That's probably medyo matraffic kasi maulan this afternoon. At alam niyo kapag umuulan, slowly lang yung pagdadrive ng mga tao, diba? So, yeah. Are you excited, ate?
Yeah.
Hindi kasi namin
Hello, nappy baby.
Hello, my beauty girl. It's okay, you can keep sleeping. Close your eyes. Yes.
Still a long drive, Celine.
Still a long drive, that's right. Hello, baby! We arrived na. Kailangan namin gisingin ang aming baby girl kay Sleeping Beauty man.
Heavy!
Alright, we'll cross here. Nandyan na yung movie. Yep. This way. You excited?
The last time we went to the cinema, we were watching Inside Out too.
That's right, but where did we watch the Inside Out too? Mount Gravatt, yeah? Is that Mount Gravatt?
Hello, I mean...
Oh yeah, Mount Gravatt.
Where...
Really gonna have a popcorn?
You got popcorn?
Yes. Okay, this way, Ate. Careful. Ate is holding my bag.
Here's Daddy's girl.
Yeah. Well, you have to arrive here, guys, at 5:30. Kasi mag-start yung movie ng 6, but may ganito pang pagganap nila, oh. Picture. The movie is finished. Sobrang iyak ko, guys.
Which one, Auntie?
Tinatawanan ako ni Daddy Mike kasi umiiyak ako.
Which one would
Did you like it?
Yeah. Ask questions about the movie. Ask! Mama, ask! And then I'll ask you.
Okay. What do you like most? What did you learn about the movie?
That caring for people is better than not taking care of people.
Yes. What was above? What was above? Daddy was like sleeping halfway.
Did I have a little snooze?
Yes, and it is kindness is another way of survival. It's a way of survival. Oh my God, look at Lini. All to yourself, Lini. Lini, stay here, Baba.
Okay.
When is my turn? I do it. Mama, when is my turn? I do
Do another one.
Another one.
Try and get it perfect. Wow, that's amazing.
My turn.
Lini's turn.
Say, this is Celine, and she is good at gymnastics.
Lini's face.
Go on, Celine.
Yes, I will show them and see what we do.
Celine, Paris, just let Celine do it, please. I just let you do it. You let Celine do it.
Okay, she's gonna do a
Go.
somersault.
What?
Good job. And I'm in charge.
We ordered beef bulgogi. Seleni. Beef bulgogi soup. Ayan, very hot guys. Grabe oh.
No, it's not. You're silly.
Bukal-bukal lang agi. And we have this for the girls. They have chicken. And so good kasi nakasama ng rice. Ayan, bon appetit. Let's eat.
With my fork. And my spoon.
Lala, basa-basa naman ka na ka.
What song do I need to read?
Come on, girls.
Come on, girls. My song. Doing my
Good.
trouble. Trouble will find me.
No, songs, Bob. We're eating now. Come, Bobby.
Ah, it tastes like that, Daddy.
It's my food.
Come on.
My